All right, Amanda, thank you. 9:47. Let me give you two words that you don't normally think sound like riveting. Insurance and summit. But wait till you hear what we've got for you. On November 15th, the Insurance Market Summit going to get underway at the Connecticut Convention Center in Hartford. And wait till you hear the exciting things that keep the insurance world, not only here in Hartford, which is the insurance capital of the world, on top of things, but what they're thinking about making your life easier in the future. Susan Winkler is the vice president of the Metro Hartford Alliance and runs the, you give me the title again?
The Insurance and Financial Services.
That works. Nice to have you here.
Thank you.
And we were kidding around at the beginning that, okay, it's insurance, and we know that Hartford is the insurance capital of the world, but at this summit, you guys have a big job on your plate, and that is not just to find out new ways to keep folks safe and keep businesses safe, but to do it with technology at your beck and call.
Right. The Insurance Market Summit this year, the focus is technology and how technology-enabled innovation is assisting the insurance industry to go faster and better.
And this is not just how to come up with better computers to run getting your fire insurance or your life insurance. This is really looking for new ways and new products to make your life easier and to stay on top of the new technology out there.
That's right. Forget everything you thought about your insurance company in the future. Just forget about it. Just disable those thoughts. The policies, the 800 numbers, etc. Technology is prevailing throughout the entire enterprise of insurance, and that's from underwriting to claims, through risk management, et cetera, all throughout the companies.
And when you bring technology into it, for example, think about the hundreds of apps that are introduced on your phone every day. Insurance has to play a big part in that. For example, and the first thing that came to my mind was Uber.
That's correct. That's a great example. So we are going to look at the summit, how these new, let's say, consumer-driven demands are now interfacing inside the insurance industry. The insurance industry, the global brands that represent Connecticut's industry, are either leading the charge in satisfying what are the solutions to help the Uber drivers and those customers that are going into an Uber Lyft or a Lyft ride, or in the digital health. How are we working in digital health to make the consumers either live healthier lives or even have more consumer protections? The
Insurance Summit, which has a meeting of the minds from every big and small insurance company, and obviously they're all here. We're looking at pictures from last year's event, brings together all of these ideas, and to help you guide the way into the future, you went straight to Silicon Valley.
That's right. We will host the CEO from Plug and Play. He is coming here from Silicon Valley with 4 portfolio companies. Those are startup companies showcasing what they have on this front stage to satisfy some of the consumer-driven needs for insurers today.
Do you find it easier or harder these days? And you've been in the insurance business for a long time. Is it more difficult to keep on top of this fast, ever-changing, almost wild west of technology?
That is the biggest challenge. The industry demands and the consumer demands are so fast-paced. Think of your life and what's relevant today to you. The insurers have to be on top of that and ahead of that for those needs. So that is the biggest challenge that we have. And then, of course, recruiting the workforce to keep up with that is the next thing.
And that's another part of the summit as well, if you want to get into the biz. They're all going to be November 15th at the Connecticut Convention Center. Susan Winkler, interesting stuff. This is more than just saying, up my life insurance a little bit. This is thinking about technology. We thank you for coming in. We appreciate you.